The Sant Michael's Academy online classes. As you know, I am your physics faculty or I am going to start today the chapter semiconductor of class 12th. This chapter consists of 7 marks. Okay, then first, before starting the topic semiconductor, I want to explain you what is conductor. What is conductor? The material through which current passes is known as conductor. Material through which current passes. Material through which current passes. The material through which current passes is called conductor. In conductor, current passes, so its resistance is minimum and its conductivity is high. Resistance, when the current passes in any materials, when current passes, that means that its resistance is low, and when current passes through it, means its conductivity is high. Means its resistance is low and its conductivity is maximum. Then I want to discuss the what is insulator. What is insulator? The material through which current do not pass is called insulator. The material through which current do not pass is called insulator. Current pass नहीं करता, that's why its resistance is maximum. Its resistance is maximum and conductivity is through insulator current do not pass, so its conductivity is low, yeah, minimum. Is low. Now our topic is semiconductor. Before starting the topic semiconductor, I want to explain some examples. For an example of semiconductor, silicon. Silicon, that is 0.7 volt. Below 0.7 volt, silicon, or example of semiconductor, below 0.7 volt, it behaves like a insulator. Below 0.7 volt, it behaves like a insulator, and above 0.7 volt, it behaves like a conductor. मीन्स सिलिकॉन जो होता है 0.7 वोल्ट के बिलो में एज अ इंसुलेटर भी बिहेव करता है, और एबव 0.7 वोल्ट से वो कैसा बिहेव करता है? कंडक्टर जैसा. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, जर्मेनियम 0.3 वोल्ट. बिलो 0.3 वोल्ट जर्मेनियम बिहेव्स लाइक अ insulator, and above 0.3 volt it behaves like a conductor. So what we see that below a particular voltage semiconductor behaves like a insulator, and above that voltage it behaves like a conductor. So definition is the material below a particular below a particular voltage, it behaves like a insulator, and above that voltage, it behaves like a conductor. That means semiconductor shows property of both conductor as well as insulator. Okay. Another thing, its conductivity. So its conduct means it shows the behavior of conductor as well as insulator, means its conductivity is less than the conductor and more than the insulator. मीन्स इसमें करंट पास होता है ना, तो कंडक्टर करंट कंडक्टिविटी तो होगा, तो कंडक्टिविटी किससे, कंडक्टर से क्या होगा, कम होगा, और इंसुलेटर से क्या होगा, ज्यादा होगा. इट्स कंडक्टिविटी इज more than the insulator, but less than the conductor. And why silicon behaves like a conductor after 0.7 volt, and why germanium behaves like a conductor above 0.3 volt? These things we discuss in the next.